Guys, we are currently experiencing something really important for Bitcoin, and let me quickly show you this. So first of all, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you go to the first link in the description, you will actually get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses simply by signing up for a Bybit account, so make sure to do that. But we can currently see that we're creating a really important pattern right now for Bitcoin, and it seems like we're trying to break out actually. So yeah, the last few days, basically all the way since Friday, we have just not been doing anything. It's been really boring, but it seems like we're finally starting to break out of this important pattern, and at least we're now making a new high since Friday, which is bullish of course. So yeah, currently let me just quickly show you guys what's happening. So we're creating out of this pattern, and also we're currently seeing just an immense pump here over on the 1 hour chart for Bitcoin. Also, if we look at this chart, then this chart could possibly be a little bit bearish, of course, because we could still potentially reject from what was previously support turning into resistance. However, do note that once we break this important resistance area, we are going to skyrocket. So yeah, Bitcoin has been really boring the last few days. That's why I didn't make a video yesterday. However, Bitcoin seems to finally be waking up again. So I'm really excited to update you guys about anything that's going to happen. We are currently in the experiencing phase, which means that we can't really predict what's going to happen for Bitcoin yet. We need to wait at least 12 hours to get a clear confirmation for Bitcoin. We, of course, first of all want to see if Bitcoin can break this resistance area, which is probably going to take a few hours. Then we also want to see if this is a confirmed breakout on the 4 hour chart. We're closing in about 1 hour, so we just have to wait a few more hours, and then we finally get some more confirmation for Bitcoin. I'm really excited for this. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated over on my YouTube channel if anything really important happens, or over on my Telegram, of course, which is first link in the description, or second link in the description. First link in the description is actually my Bybit link. If you sign up for a Bybit account using my link, you will get up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, and you will also get 25% of fees, which is really nice. So make sure to sign up for your new crypto exchange using the link below. That being said, I will update you guys immediately if something important happens. So yeah, I hope I will see you in my next video.